second annual Harbor School Turkey Trot!
Come on, turkeys! Come on, turkeys! Let's go! Come on, turkeys!
This is really like finding a wild turkey.
We just wanted to think of something really fun to do around the Thanksgiving holiday.
Let's see everyone get happy. You gotta do a warm up first. Ready? Here we go. Stretch, 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 stretch. We gotta warm up our muscles.
It seems like there's never enough time to add fun and fitness to the school day. So this was a way that we could incorporate being excited about coming to school and fitness and wellness. And we just want kids to come and love school and be highly engaged.
Okay, we are going to start with a warm up lap where we will walk down, turn around, and come back. And we'll stop here. So let's start with our preschool turkeys.
The weather, I mean, if you're wearing a sweatshirt and running, then it's hot. But if you're, it's kind of like when you're too hot to wear a sweatshirt, but it's too cold to take it off. That's what it's like outside. And the fun part was when I ran and I was like the last one there. I like being last when I'm running.
All 300 students took a run down Ocean Beach Boardwalk and back, and then we got to have some hot cocoa and a cookie and enjoy each other's company before the holiday break.
Let's hear some gobbles! Gobble, gobble! Oh, I want to hear gobbles! Gobble, gobble!
It's a great place to come to school. We're really a happy, small, close-knit community. We have parents and teachers here all excited about the event. It's just a great place to work and learn.
Nice job.